Guys, I'm super excited to be reviewing these bone conduction wireless headphones from Naenka. Now, believe me, this is not just another headphone review. This is a little bit different. Why? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scene Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, these are some headphones from Naenka. Now, I said that these are a little bit different, and that's because if you don't know Naenka, well, these guys are pioneering the technology behind bone conduction, and these headphones are bone conduction headphones. So what's that? Well, I was already lucky enough to review the Naenka Runner Pro bone conduction headphones, and I've got to say, they were very cool. They were really focused around sports, including swimming. Yeah, swimming. You could wear them underwater, and I've got to say, I find swimming in a pool doing lengths pretty damn boring. Sorry all you swimmers out there, but having some cool headphones that work underwater was very welcome indeed. But these ain't them. These bad boys are more suited to the day-to-day office life, as they come equipped with a boom mic. So you know what, phone calls, video calls, whatever, they have you covered. Now, of course, Naenka sent me these in exchange for my honest review, and if you know me guys, you know good, bad or indifferent, you're always going to get an honest review from me. So let's take a look and see what we've got in the box. So first of all, we're greeted with a prize card telling me that I have 100% won a prize. Leave me a comment if you want to know what that prize was. Then we have a box with a USB-A to proprietary magnetic charging cable. Well, that is a bit of a shame. Guys, we need USB-C. Stop making proprietary cables. Anyway, no worries. Let's have a look at what else we've got. We've got some earplugs. Now, these are also present in the Runner Pro box, and I get that, as you could put them in your ears when swimming. How? Well, hang on there, because I'm going to tell you. Then we have the headphones themselves. They're light, very bendy, they're made from a soft kind of plastic. And lastly, guys, we have the instructions. So, bone conduction, well, what the heck is that? Well guys, I'm no scientist, but put simply, compared to normal headphones or earphones, the transducer converts audio data to vibrations, which travel along the user's bone structure into the cochlea, an inner ear structure, which you might have heard this term with like folks that are hard of hearing, deaf. You know, they have a cochlear implant which does pretty much the same thing. It transmits the information along the auditory nerve as, you know, as a signal in the brain, or as a signal to the brain. So in effect, the user's skull is acting like a speaker. I mean, that's pretty cool, right? And I think it's fairly right. But anyway, this is contrasted against normal headphones, which kind of emit vibrations through speakers placed on or in your ear, which is why you can use these underwater, and why you can wear the earplugs at the same time, because these don't go on your ears. In fact, they go just here on the side, so your ears are kind of still open, and that's pretty cool. Oh look, boom mic. So guys, we know what we're working with here. Let's have a look at the headphones themselves in some detail. Now, we have the two bits that fit on your ear, these bits here. One has a multifunction button on it for functions like play, pause, etc. of music, hanging up calls, the voice assistant, Siri in my case, and of course the boom microphone. Then on the main module you have a couple of buttons for power on and power off. Then you've got a volume control, next and previous track selection, and you know what, I know there's quite a few shared functions, but you know what, playing around with this for a few minutes and everything was pretty straightforward. Now, pairing was also pretty easy. Just turn on the headset and it goes into Bluetooth pairing mode automatically. You also get spoken confirmation, so that's pretty nice, right? Paired up, listening to a bit of music, you can test out the audio quality and the controls for play, pause, skip a track, go back a track, volume, and so on. The audio quality itself is never going to be as good as the headphones that fit in or over your ears, but you know what, the fact that these are less dangerous for your ears is an absolutely great trade-off. Let's face it guys, when we're listening to some nice music, we start off on volume 3 and we're all getting engaged and listening and happy, and then you know what, by the time we're done we're on volume 33, and you know what, that is not good for your ears. It's great at the time, but long term, nah. So these bone conducting headphones are a much safer alternative. Now, I also tried these with phone calls and also various video conference platforms. All my callers said they could hear me clearly and I could hear them clearly. So what more do you want, right? Guys, now for a few specs. Music playback is around 6 hours. Standby time is about 20 hours. They only take 2 hours to charge, so that's pretty cool. And they use Bluetooth 5.3. And guys, the weight of these is a mere 38 grams. You're not even going to know that you've got them on. I mean, I know that I've got them on because I'm on camera, but actually they're very light. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. These are a safe way to listen to audio. They're light, they don't sound bad at all, and the best thing of all is your ears remain open at all times. So if you want to cycle with them, or you want to run with them, or yeah, maybe even swim with them, I mean, they say they're waterproof, and the bone conducting runner pros let you swim with them, so maybe you can. But given the fact that your ears are always open, makes me love them. You see, whenever I wear earbuds for calls, etc., I only wear one as I hate being shut out from the world. This way, guys, I get the benefit of wearing both sides and my ears stay open. I mean, perfect, right? So guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to Naenka for sending me these rather cool bone conducting headphones. This is the future right here, guys. I'll leave any product links and discounts in the description. If you have any comments or questions, and you know what to do, and if you like the video guys, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.